Hello learners, you are watching. Today I am going to tell you how a teacher can upload videos and photos from the Google Drive to Google Classroom. For that, first and foremost, you have to click on Play Store button. Then in the search box, you just have to type Google Drive. It will be opened in front of you. Just download Google Drive to your mobile. In this manner, we have downloaded Google Drive and just click on open. And here we have to make sure that sign in through that email ID that your school has created for you. For example, my school has created at mgmpt.edu.in. See learners, here you can see few folders, few files. These are those files that I have shared in my Google Classroom with my students. That's why it is written over here priority. Whatever documents you are sharing with Google Classroom, it will be directly saved in your Drive. Drive is like a bonus point that Google has given us, so that whatever documents you want to save, you can save it over here. Second is workspace. Workspace basically is that you can create different folders and keep it over here, and you can save that documents over there. Third is shared. Here you can see that whatever I have shared with my students in my Google Classroom, all those documents are there. Why it is there? If you want to reuse those documents, you can reuse from here. Next is the files. This is the main and basic important thing that we have to keep it in our mind. You can see it on the screen. On the right hand side, a plus button. Click on that. Folder, upload, use camera, Google Documents, Google Sheets, Google Slides. These are the options that is being provided to us. For that, first and foremost, I am going to make a folder over here with a name Class 10th, and this is being created over here. My folder is there, and in this folder, if I would like to add some files or downloaded videos for my students, I can save it over here, so that it becomes very easy for me to upload in my Google Classroom. You can see how I am uploading all my videos, documents in this folder of Drive. Like upload photos and videos. Okay, the Google might take permission from you. You have to just click on OK button, videos. See, I have saved one video for my 10th class students. Just clicking on upload. You can see how it is being uploaded to my Drive that Google has provided us. See learners, it has been uploaded and it has been saved in my folder known as Class 10. This is the way we are saving our documents, our materials for the students in this Drive. Now we have to move on to the Google Classroom. Click on the Classroom button, and today my class is for Class 10th English students. So I will be clicking on that. Stream you all are very familiar with. We have to directly go to class work. And here in the class work, there is a plus button sign at the down of the screen. Click on that and you can see the material option. Click on material, and what title you are going to give, what attachment you are doing. I am doing explanation over here of the lesson. Description, dear students, what all description instructions you want to give it to students. Carefully listen to the explanation. Second point, underline the important lines in your text. These are the two instructions I would like to give. And what is the topic? I have created the topic over here, a letter to God, and I will be saving it. Now I will be attaching the file that I wanted from my own drive that Google has given me. I will be clicking on that drive. See, this folder is opened for me that I have created in my drive. Click on that. This is the video that is there for my students. I will be clicking on it. It will be directly uploaded to my Google Classroom for class 10 students. And just click on the arrow button that is there on the top right hand side of your screen. See learners, my video has been uploaded over here for my students. I hope you all have understood